What's your name?
Cameron.
Cameron, how did you hear about the garage?
My mother came here for some type of repair and told me about it and said the shop was really cool.
How would you describe your experience here?
I mean, they've definitely taken the time to curate a process based on reviews for people from other shops and listen and pay attention and ask really good questions to narrow in on the problem before they ever take a look. They're very detailed in the report that they give back and very speedy on the fix.
Would you recommend the garage to family and friends?
Absolutely.
Thank you, Cameron.